Hello security professionals, welcome back to the channel that helps you master cloud security fast. In today's video, we are going to explore the domain 10 of the CCSK version 5 exam, that is application security. Whether you are a developer, architect or security engineer, understanding how to build and secure cloud native apps is absolutely critical. Here is our learning objective for today's video. Learning objective: how to implement a secure development process, why architecture is key to secure cloud applications, and how to integrate security into every phase of the development using DevSecOps. Section 1. Implement a secure development process. Let's start with the foundation: building applications securely. The secure development lifecycle, or SDLC, involves planning, designing, coding, testing, and maintaining apps with security built in, not bolted on. Here is how you can do it. Define security requirements early. Use threat modeling to anticipate potential attacks. Conduct regular code reviews and vulnerability scans. Implement secure coding standards like OWASP Top 10. Perform rigorous testing, including static and dynamic analysis. And don't forget about training developers. They are your first line of defense. Section 2. The role of architecture. Great code isn't enough. Secure architecture is critical in the cloud. Architectural decisions shape how resilient your app is against the threats. Key considerations include separation of duties and least privilege access, secure API gateways, protecting microservices with network segmentation, using container orchestration securely like Kubernetes RBAC, managing identity with strong authentication flows. Basically, your architecture determines how well your application can withstand attacks, scale securely, and fail gracefully. Section 3. DevSecOps and automated security in SDLC. Now let's bring it all together with DevSecOps. DevSecOps is about embedding security into every stage of your CI/CD pipeline without slowing down your development process. Here is how to do it. Use infrastructure as a code, or IAC, with security scanning tools. Automate code scanning with the tools like Snyk, SonarQube, or Checkmarx. Integrate container security into your builds. Perform runtime monitoring in production. Enable feedback loops between developers and security teams. The goal: shift your security left and make it part of your culture. And that's a wrap for the domain 10 application security for the CCSK version 5 exam. Remember, secure development is a journey. It is not a checklist. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button, and do not forget to put your questions in the comment box. In the next video, we are going to dive into one of the key aspects of this CCSK tutorial, that is incident response and resilience. So I would request you to stay tuned in to our channel and this playlist so that you do not miss the next video. Thanks for watching and have a nice one. Bye.